read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? Me, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Today we are going to read letter G, its formation, its sound, and vocabulary words. Let's start with me. Start from second line. Make semicircle, go straight up, come straight down, turn the loop. Start from the dot, make semicircle, go straight up, come straight down, turn the loop. It will make small G. The letter name is G and the sound of G is G. G, G, goat. G, G, grass. The goat is grazing on grass in the garden. The goat is grazing on grass in the garden. Now tell me, how many G's are there in the above sentence? Goat, 1. Garden, graze, and grass. 4 G's, yes. Okay, now tell me, what is the goat doing? The goat is grazing the grass. Very good. Now it's time to mime. Spur your hands down as if water is swirling down the drain. Say G, 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 G. G, 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 G. Grass, G, G, G. Garden, G, G, G. Goat, G, G, G. Glass, G, 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 G. Glass, G, G, glass. Now, time to say thank you to you and say Allah Hafiz. Bye.